Operation Video. Regional version switchover for Samsung Color Laser 404 series replacement chip. Take chipjet's chip of DOM regional version as an example. Mount the chips onto toner cartridges of corresponding color and push cartridges into the printer. Close the cover to start recognizing the chips. Please wait patiently for chip being recognized for the first time, as it takes a little bit longer time. Once the indicator light on panel turns to white, the chips are recognized by the printer successfully. Notice, to get rid of the trouble caused by regional limits, the regional version of every chip can be switched before being recognized by startup and shutdown or opening and closing the cover as the video shows. The switchover sequence is as follows: DOM, AIM, XPEUA, BCISCHN. At present, the default regional version of chipjet's 404 series replacement chip is DOM. If the chip is recognized by the printer after printer cover is opened and closed for once, it means the chip's regional version is switched to AEM successfully. In the same manner, if the chip is recognized by printer after the cover is opened and closed for once to 6 times, the chip will be switched to the corresponding regional version.